Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take a Batman.
Hey dolls, I'm coming back at you again today with another full set under $25 at home. I have my favorite nail glue to use, which is the Sensational Super Glue. This glue holds my nail set for at least 2 weeks. I have my nail polish remover, some cotton pads, I have my tweezers, I have my nails, which as you can see cost $5. I have my gems because I'm going to make an accent nail, my tweezers to adhere my gems, and my glue to adhere my gems for my accent nail. Now all of this has cost me less than $10. So yes, it's easy to achieve a full set that looks quality, professional looking for under $10 without having to sit in a salon for at least 2 hours, weigh in and things like that. So yeah, here is the cheap budgetista version, okay? Alright, so what I'm doing here is just prepping my nail bed, getting all the excess oil and things like that off of my nail. I did go ahead and already buff them down off camera. That is the most important thing you want to do when applying these false nails, to give them extra hold when you apply your glue. That'll give you a better hold and stop the nails from popping off. So make sure you do buff your nails, and also use alcohol or nail polish remover just to, get rid of the excess oils off of your nail bed before applying your nails. That's the most important thing you can do before applying these false nails. And what I would say about these particular nails, although they are $5, they are very sturdy. They are not too thick, not too thin. They're not flimsy at all. You could definitely reuse them if you like to. Just make sure that after if you're going to reuse them, just make sure you get all the excess glue, the dried glue from them if you're going to reuse them again. But they are reusable, at least up to, you can get maybe 2 wears out of them. So yes, they are reusable. You want to apply your glue very evenly across your nail bed, and then when you put your nail on, you want to make sure that you press firmly so that the glue and the nail will adhere to each other very well to give you that extra firm hold. Now, you don't want to apply too much or too little, because you want to make sure it's an even application of the glue across your nail bed. What I find with this glue is, as it does have an extra hold on it, you can definitely do your normal wear and tear routines, like do hair, clean up the house, wash dishes, take your showers and stuff like that. It's not really going to affect it. I can honestly say I've been doing this for years. My nail beds are not worn down. They are very healthy. The reason why I don't have any, my natural nails don't grow long, is because I do bite my nails, which is a really bad habit that I'm trying to get rid of. But as you guys can see, my nail beds, they're pretty healthy as far as, using this particular method. Now, I do this occasionally when I can't go to my nail tech, but I do go get my... I do go see an actual nail technician to get my nails done. But this is just an alternative way, when we want to be cute and we don't have time to run to the nail salon or our nail tech to get our nails done. This is a very easy and convenient way to get our nails done. And so for those of us that are on a budget, perfect way to have your nails done and to get that self-care in, which is always important, because who doesn't like to feel, like a woman? And as you can see, this took me no time to pop these nails on. Like, I can do this in under 5 minutes, y'all. If I wasn't on camera, I can do this in under 5 minutes, seriously. But I really, really love this brand. They have lots of nice designs. Most of these brands can be found, this particular brand can be found in your local beauty supply. You can find them on eBay as well. Like I said, for $5, you can't beat a full set, gel set at that, for $5. You just can't. Like I said, sometimes I do go ahead and I get the bare nails, but I want to skip that part so I don't have to polish them or anything like that. And so that's why I went with this particular set. I do have other sets as well that come pre-designed, so you don't have to worry about, is it going to look janky or anything like that. It's going to look homemade or whatever. And like I said, you guys can see I am just popping these nails on. They do stay on. I literally took a set off. My last set that I did, I took that set off, I want to say last week, and they lasted me for a pretty long time. So yeah, if you have any questions, of course, you can always leave them in the comment section. Let me know if you love your press-ons or if you prefer to go to a nail tech. But if you do prefer to go to a nail tech, you do have that option of doing press-ons as well. Press-ons are nothing new. They've been around for a while. They are, of course, taboo because people be like, oh my god, you wearing press-ons. But honestly, whenever I wear my press-ons and people see me out and they ask me who did my nails, I tell them they're press-ons, they don't believe me. So they can look very professionally done if you get the right ones. Alright, you can see my nails are all done and applied. I love this set. It's, pink and girly. I didn't have to polish them. I am showing you, how they are evenly matched up in size. I'm just basically doing a little cleanup because sometimes we do have a little jagged edge on them. As you can see, they're not too thick. They're not too thin. The density for these nails are just right, so they look like you actually do have a good full set on. So yeah, this is my little quick self-care method that I do when I can't get to my nail tech or the nail salon. So yeah, let me know how you like my little self-care video on my press-on nails, and I will come at you dolls later. Thank you so much for watching as always. Bye.